What's up, guys? So we're vlogging out here. I don't know how this vlogging stuff works yet, but I'll get the hang of it. Are you gonna do your makeup first? Oh god. Here. Let's do some with this. It's gonna look really funny. I wanna see what it looks like. Pretty nice day at the beach today, guys. Vlog boys. Fashion Island. Let's figure out where this is. That urban. I don't know what to really get right now, so just, you know, whatever.
Oh, wait, pick an outfit for Harry too.
Alright.
You pick it out. Okay, Colin, hold your fit. Okay. Now we're gonna. No, you have to wait for Harry, and we're all gonna try on together.
I'm gonna wear like a very baggy stuff.
Baggy style? All right. Hey, no, that's the style, brother.
They pick it out. You don't choose. I've never worn anything like this.
Okay, Maddie, what's your inspiration? What kind of like look are you going for?
I'm going for that like white boy, almost like gay look.
Ah, oh, Pride Month. All right, got you.
But like, it's gonna be like really short shorts, but like a really baggy.
Oh, can we get some
like
of
my
the? Can we get
style.
some of the crazy prints
That's
going
like
on
my
like
style.
this?
Can I not?
That's your style?
That's my style. This is not my style.
Wait, get some of the crazy prints, bro.
Wait,
you know what I mean?
Corduroy?
Oh my god, wait, Maddie, they have like the crazy print like here too.
Oh.
What pant size are you?
I don't wear hats though.
Is small, medium, or large? Like that kind of stuff?
Yeah.
Medium.
Oh, okay, guess you're gonna try and fit a small.
I would wear that.
I mean, you could try them on too. Oh, sorry, brother.
You'll be our recorder.
That's me.
You're gonna wear this, no shirt.
Look
You're gonna
at
do
this.
that and then this kind of shirt.
Upper body and you wear that
looks-
outfit?
it looks
really
cute.
good, yeah. Just on
Extra
you, I
small?
don't. Huh?
Are you an extra small?
Yeah.
Okay, that's so cool.
Where's the dressing room?
On the other side.
Oh, do you guys want to pick? Oh no, actually, I picked my own style.
Oh my god, are you? Stop it, stop it.
Are you good?
Are you good? Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. Ooh. I have a lot of stuff. This. Yeah.
What do you have?
So I'm going for a very boyish look today.
Okay.
I really like that shirt.
So,
I have a lot of other shorts that I want to try on. I have another special outfit for you.
okay.
This is blueberry skies.
Watching the sunset at Newport Beach. Yeah, we're kind of late. It's fine.
Okay, it's so pretty.
It is. It's just setting now. It's 8:05. Yeah.
You can't post that on YouTube.
Yeah, probably.
Well, can you like say, oh, sorry.
Or how about you do? You can do the music one and I'll do the music.
Okay. Yeah, one for you to like good one for us.
You don't even put
It's cool.
You're cute.
I think I've already
I
like
want some
started to
boba.
digest my
You're cute.
Really? You wanna hit the bonbon?
I love you.
No, I'm so full for that.
What about your outro right now?
Alright, thanks for watching the video, guys. If you liked it, please comment down below. You don't have to leave a like, we don't care about that.
What about subscribe?
You can subscribe if you want. It's awesome. Subscribe to Harry and Colin.
And turn on your notification bells.
Yes.
See you later. See you later.
Ooh, hi!
See you later, I guess.
Leave the lead.